So hello to everyone. Now I'm going to show you what causes the earthquakes in Gibraltar region in Spain, between Spain and Africa. So we have one very difficult situation here and very curious situation because the orbit of Comet Catalina is ended here on the Canary Islands, and I already told you that 4 weeks ago. I said that Europe is going to be in trouble all till the Canary Islands. Why? Because the Catalina is surrounding about around the Europe, and this day has come exactly as I predicted. But something else happened, what is more odd than anything else. This earthquake was caused by two different comets named Catalina. So one is C 2013 V4 and one is C 2013 US 10. As you can see, there comet they are entering in the same year in our system, so-called system 2013. And now watch the alignment. Gibraltar is here. So let me okay, remember the moon is here. Even this is not very important. It's not that it's not important, but not for this moment. I'm going to show you. I'm going to blow this up. Now watch this alignment. I will draw the line so I can show you exactly what is going on here. So this is the Gibraltar in Spanish coast. You see here. Now I will draw the line of alignment between these two comets, and unfortunately here is the position of Catalina. Just a moment. And here's the position of Catalina too. This is the alignment. This is the difference between the perfect alignment. You see that here? You see the triangle here? Look at that. This is Gibraltar. Watch this. Watch the triangle. So two comets are in alignment and Gibraltar was inside this alignment. So, I mean, this is, people, let me tell you something else. This blue line here, which is next to the Gibraltar, is the line orbit of Comet Catalina C 2013 V4. And this one here is Catalina C 2013 US 10 orbit. So now, this is the first earthquake, which was, just a moment, let me read, the strongest one in 5:22 in the morning in a Croatian time. This is the 4:22. I will talk in a Croatian time, but this is 1 hour plus from the UTC time. So this is a 4:22 in the original, but I'm going to put this in Europe time in a 1 hour plus. Okay, so this is 5. This is the first one was 6.3. This earthquake here was 6.3 Richter scale. This one, look at that. So Gibraltar was very lucky to stay out of this alignment. It was between two orbits of this probably very big, because this one I already show you, it caused a lot of earthquakes around the world. In the United States, everywhere. When it's passing nearby, it was and not touching anything, it was over the 3 Richter scale. It was not even close. So now, that was the first earthquake at 4:22 in the morning. So the second one, this is the second one. So let me blow this up. Okay, this is the second one. Here is the alignment. Watch this. This one was 5-0. 5-0. Look at the moon. Munich in alignment with Gibraltar. Watch this. So what is the what makes this earthquake weaker than the previous one? Just a moment. It's that the orbits are far away from the Gibraltar. Watch the first orbit. This is 200%. Just a moment, I have to blow this up. 200%. So this is the orbit of the Catalina and Gibraltar. It's here. You see, look, watch the distance between the orbit. This is the first orbit. Watch how close it is. And this one is going away. You know, it's moving because this is normal that this is moving. So this is the first. This is the second. Is that 200? Just a moment. 200. Okay. So now this is the. Now we have a stronger one in 5:34. 5:34 in the morning. That was a 5.3. Here it is. This is the Gibraltar here, 200%. I'll show you. Here it is. You see that? So this all went away from the Gibraltar. You know, it's a moving, and that makes this. But what's happened here? The moon come in the alignment with the Gibraltar, and that what it caused this earthquake to be stronger. So we have also a Jupiter which is involved in this earthquake. I will show you now. So this is the third one at 5:34 in the morning. Now we have the this is 5:3. So now the next one was at 6:54. Yes, 6:03. Sorry, 6:03. That was 4.5. This one was weak, you know. But look, where is Katarina now? Away from the. You see how the Katarina is away from the. Watch this. I will put that in 100%. So you can see the difference to 100%. You can see the difference between this. Watch the how close it's to the Gibraltar here. Okay, you watch the the distance. Okay, you see that? Okay, put 200% like this. So this is going away. You see? Watch. Just a moment to put it in some mode that everything is in the same alignment, like this, and okay, and this one it's also like this. So now we can see the difference. Okay, now watch how it's moving. You see how it's moving? So now this one was at let me see when. This one is 6:03. This is only 4.5. Now the next one was 6:54. That was here. This one was 5.2. Look what's going on here. It's the Jupiter in the game now with alignment with the Catalina. Watch this. Let me show you. Jupiter Catalina. Watch the alignment. You see that? Watch the alignment. Now this one has influence of this earthquake and make it stronger because it's again alignment. Before it was a moon here. The moon was here before, and now the Jupiter. Let me show you the same place here. So the first earthquake, which is 6.3, we have here the moon. You see that here? Now, in this earthquake, alignment is with the Jupiter, which is here, in the place of the moon. Okay? You see, Jupiter take the place of the moon. So we have alignment, again alignment with it, which is not big Fortunately, because in the other case, Gibraltar will have very very strong earthquake. So now the following earthquake was 710. That was here. That was 5-0. Okay. Look at where the Catalina is now. You see that? Look at the alignment. Look at the alignment. And here is the Jupiter. You see that here? So the moon was here. This is just proving how these comets are responsible for this earthquake. So this is no any coincidence, and it will never be. This was the cause of the earthquake. So these two comets later went away from here and caused probably a lot of different, because we have later at some 1017 again, and no, sorry, 925 again, 4.5 in Strait of Gibraltar, and then in north of Halmahera, Indonesia, there was a 5.7. Let me see this. In the north of Halmahera, this is 1017. So 1017, let me see that. What caused that earthquake there? 1017. If I can see this. Okay, we have Halmahera in India. This is the north of Halmahera, Indonesia. Okay, wait. Oh, Indonesia. Philippines, state of Micronesia. Okay, let me see what south of Sumatra, Indonesia. No. I know that I must have this Halmahera somewhere here, but I don't know where it is. Just a moment, let me see. 322 north. This is here, and we have 128. So that will be somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here it was. You see, there is a sun. There is a sun in this area, so sun is causing the earthquake here, and there's an orbit of something here passing. Some orbit is going here. So let me see, what was here in that moment. So there was a lot of, but I have to find which orbit passed to this epicenter here. So I will see that later. So anyway, this is it. Thank you very much for your attention. Now I'm going to show you all these earthquakes, especially this one with 6.3 on the map, position of the epicenter according to the position of the moon and the sun. Thank you very much for your attention, and wait for the next video.